Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to a good morning this Monday. Bitcoin is again very bullish. All right, we grabbed that liquidity. I mean, yesterday we talked about this. A bullish opening seemed most likely for multiple reasons, but one of those reasons being is that there was quite a lot of liquidity to the upside. All right, so what usually happens is that Bitcoin grabs that liquidity. Now, right now, what you can see is, look, in general, I think Bitcoin still is bullish, all right? And if we go to something like the weekly time frame, what you'll see there is that we're almost at those all-time highs right here at 66 up to 69,000. Do I think we can get there? Yes, and I think we can get even higher than that. So I think new all-time highs are definitely possible. The thing is that the market right now is obviously very euphoric. So everything is very bullish. I think Bitcoin on its own is fine, right? I think Bitcoin with the halving coming up and the strength it's showing right now, which we'll get into depth a little bit later. I think Bitcoin is fine, but the thing is that the funding rates across the market right now are ridiculous, including the one of Bitcoin. Ethereum actually still looks pretty fine here. But including the one of Bitcoin. That's going to pop, all right? And you can also see that there's quite a lot of liquidity, or at least we just saw that there was quite a lot of liquidity at 62,000 under the current market circumstances, where Bitcoin is very bullish. The funding rates are ridiculously high, especially among altcoins, and the Bitcoin dominance is high. If Bitcoin gets one little pullback, which is definitely going to happen at some point of time, altcoins are going to suffer like 20 to 30%, all right? So just be careful for that, all right? I think it's most likely that Bitcoin will get up to those all-time highs, but I also think it's very likely that from those all-time highs, we'll get a spike down to 62, maybe even lower, but 62, 63,000. And then what I expect is that we can hold those levels and then eventually get up higher. So I am very bullish on Bitcoin. The thing is that I think it's more important to warn you for the potential spikes down, which will have a major effect on altcoins, than to tell you that it's bullish. I mean, most of you can see that it's bullish, all right? So the EMAs are moving up. A chart like this is just not, that there's almost no way in which you could say that this is bearish, right? So that's not the point. But the main resistance level for me is the previous all-time high. All right, so 66 up to 69,000. Usually out of experience, what happens is that when a crypto gets to the previous all-time high with momentum, which we definitely do have right now, usually it also breaks above the all-time high. But for now, I think that's that's too early. All right, we have to await that reaction first. That's also what I said yesterday. Yesterday, when I said that we would grab that liquidity a little bit higher, what I said is that, all right, well, if we hit that resistance and the open interest, so the momentum keeps growing, then we can continue up. And what you saw yesterday is that when we grab that liquidity right here, which you can very clearly see it right here, all of those shorts were liquidated. But after that liquidation, the open interest kept going up. All right, so then you know that there still is a lot of momentum. And right now, the momentum is ridiculous. It's very high. So that's also one of the reasons why I expect us to go higher. But at that level, if the open interest drops down tremendously, then we'll have a bit of a pullback, consolidation, and then it will probably take some time before making new all-time highs. While if we get to that level and the open interest keeps increasing, then we'll probably break above that straight away. So I will keep you updated on that still, but for now, something like this, I would say, is my most likely scenario. All right, so be careful with altcoins, be careful with trading in general, but congratulations on hopefully the profits. For now, thank you for watching though, take care and bye.